Good morning, everybody. It is a lovely,
Cool morning.
cool Friday morning.
Yes.
Yes, it
Yay,
is
Friday.
a little cooler out there. It is, but it's supposed to get hot today. So, but anyway, Coral and I are to show you.
These are so cute, guys. Wait till you see them.
So it's a kit that makes into the
there
6
you go.
Grinch placemats, which are so cute.
They are
So
adorable.
each placemat is going to be a little bit different.
So you can see there. Yeah.
Okay, so you can see that, like, you know, the fabrics get switched around as to where they're going to be placed. So 6 placemats, and your kit includes all the fabrics for the top, your black sashing, your binding, your
Yes.
pattern,
There you go.
and there you go for $54.99, 6 placemats.
So Grinch dash pick 6 placemats.
Yeah, if you just type in Grinch, it'll
Yeah.
come up.
Yeah.
So
That's the
those
first
we
one.
have to show you, and then the second one we
I'm
have to
gonna
show you
go
is
over
up
here
on the
slowly.
wall, and that one is called
Love the
Mini
colors.
Brick Road Runner, and
you
it's
can see
all
that?
done with Cape fabrics, and made that one I think last weekend or the weekend before. I
Yeah,
can't remember.
yeah.
Was pretty
Just recently.
easy, pretty simple to make.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just a little tiny table runner, but very cute. Very
is.
cute. So this is your kit.
There's your
It
pattern.
is right side up, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
There's
so it
your pattern.
makes into the runner here. And then in here you have a charm pack, and you have all the black fabric to do. I intermixed some black into
Yes.
the inside.
Which I think was really a great
Yeah,
idea.
because it just became so mushy if I didn't. So
Yeah.
I thought it would look better if we added some of the black in there.
Yeah.
So that was an executive decision by the tycoon of the company.
Okay.
Right. There you
Okay.
go. And so that's that.
So that one is called
Just mini brick.
Mini Brick Road Runner.
Yeah, and that's $47.99.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's, you know, whole enchilada except for the backing. And I mean, good heavens, we all have a stash, and I'm sure you'll find something that would work quite well for the backing on that one.
Yes.
So that's what we have to show you today. Aileen is like a mad woman right now, running around marking things down even further. I need to keep tabs on her. She loves to purge, okay? But
Yeah. Make
You
room
know,
for the new.
yeah,
And speaking of new, I'm working right now on getting 2 placemat kits put together, one in autumn and one a Christmas. So watch for those next week.
Okay, so we're going to wish you guys a happy weekend. Don't know if I'm going to get a newsletter out this weekend. It's not looking promising. We'll go for next
Geez,
weekend.
right.
But we do wish you guys to have a happy weekend, and we're going to see you guys all with bells on your toes on Monday morning.
Take
Okay,
care.
see you then.
Bye.